Okay, this is CFIN Student Edition, Chapter 4, Problem 20. If the appropriate interest rate is 8%, what are the present values of the following cash flow streams? Okay, so we've got cash flow stream A and cash flow stream B. So these are be at the end of year one. So go over here and we'll do A. Second, cash flow. Second, clear. That's the button at the bottom left. Yeah. So then you'll come up with CF0. We're not going to enter anything here. So we're going down arrow, C01. And that's going to be, in the first one, that's going to be 100. We're going to go F01 is going to be 1. And we leave, that's what it is. We leave it because the payment tells it that the payment only occurs one time. So that's enter and down arrow. And we're going to just do nothing here. And then C02 is 400. And again, F02 is 1. I'm not going to write it out. C03 is 400. Again, you hit enter every time you enter anything under the cash flow function. And then C04 is 300. And now we'll hit NPV and it'll display I. And we're going to enter 8, enter, and then go down arrow to NPV. And this, sorry, hit compute. Okay, and you should get $973.57. So just double check that. You can hit second cash flow and go scroll down through, and you should see 100 in C01, 400 in C02, 400 in C03, and then 300 in C04. So for the second part of this problem, we can actually just switch these two numbers. So we can change C01 to 300 and C04 to 100. So that's the easiest thing to do. So, but you just, after you calculated this, you go second cash flow and then go down to C01, and that would become 300, and you enter, and then you scroll down to C04, and that becomes 100. So you're basically just switching out those two items. So now we're going to hit NPV, and it's going to display I equal 8. We're going to go down arrow, and it's going to display NPV. It's going to display our old NPV, the 973.57, and we're going to hit compute. And so now it's going to should get an answer of $1,001 or $11.75. So the cash string B is more valuable. The present value of cash string B is greater. So we would prefer that to cash stream A. It makes sense because you're receiving your money sooner. So that time value of money element, receiving that $300 in the first year rather than receiving it in the fourth year, and the fact that you received the $100 earlier in the in this one as well. So